Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your name on your Bigo Live account. So hopefully after watching my last video you have successfully downloaded Bigo and signed up. So let's open the Bigo Live app. Once you have opened it, there might be ad. Let's go ahead and skip it. So finally this is what the Bigo app homepage looks like. Click on the bottom right and you should be here. Click on the top right and finally click on the top right one more time, and once you click on the top right you can click on cancel and then finally click on the name thing, and then here you can change your username as many times as you want and up to 0 to 16 characters. So there you go, I just changed my account name. Click on back, and once it's saved, congratulations, you have successfully changed your name on your Bigo Live account. For more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and with that being said, thank you for watching.